Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to this episode or this podcast. What we're going to be talking about today is how to remove bugs from the front of a car or an RV. Now this RV conversion is littered with bugs on the front, and I'll bring it in, you can see it, but I wanted to show you a safe and effective way on paint, on chrome, on glass, on whatever, to remove bugs using a couple items. The first is this bug sponge, and it's a mesh netting on one side. It has actually microfiber on one side, so if you wanted to velcro a handle on this side, you could, and take your hand away from it. But really what we're going to be focusing on is this mesh netting, because it's going to be aggressive enough that when soaked in an all-purpose cleaner for the bugs, you're going to be able to remove them, but not too aggressive to where it's actually going to be scratching the paint or the substrate behind it. So I'm going to need that. Obviously a nice plush microfiber towel to wipe the bug guts off, and you're gonna need your favorite all-purpose cleaner. This is just some random all-purpose cleaner that I'm using. It's not super hot out, so I don't have to worry about it drying on the paint. However, you wanna be aware that you're not letting the all-purpose cleaner dry too much on the paint, because that's when you can start getting streaks and stuff like that. So it's a very simple process to do this. I'm gonna spray a couple sprays onto the yellow skinny scrubbers. This is from Auto Fiber, but I also have it on JIMBOdaily.com. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna totally soak the front. Now you could soak the front first in all-purpose cleaner before you wash it down. That's one way to do it. And if you have a pressure washer, obviously you can soak it in an all-purpose cleaner, and then you can pressure wash it off. That'll help a lot, but sometimes that doesn't get all the bugs. Now this RV's been to Montana, so from California to Montana is no short trip. So after you've kind of soaked it in, now watch, I'm going to show an area that I do right away. Let's see, and you can see, I mean, even with little to no dwell time, this is coming off almost immediately, which helps to have an, decently aggressive all-purpose cleaner. And then you just little to no pressure, actually I'd say medium pressure. And you can see a little lip right here. So I'm just gonna work one small section at a time. Actually work half the hood, because I'm gonna take a photo for the thumbnail. This is video. And if it starts drying up on you, just re-wet the area. Or if the all-purpose cleaner is not working as well, you can just re-soak that area. Working my way down, and I'm actually doing this pre-wash because I want to see how much I could take care of, but look at that. So let's wipe that off. And the idea is that you want to get the majority of the crap off, so that when you go to wash it, there's very little left. You could even get it perfect on here, but there are some rock chips and stuff like that too, so that's what you might be picking up on, but that is how you do it. So bug sponge, all-purpose cleaner, microfiber towel. I'll link my favorites below if you want to pick up one of these sponges, JIMBOdaily.com. I also sell this towel on JIMBOdaily.com. But really the point was, in, what is it, a couple minutes to be able to go from that to this very simply. So that's how you can remove bugs from the front of your car, RV, whatever. So if you like that video, hit subscribe button below or to the bottom right of the video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. See ya.